For question number one, first of all, we need to arrange the number, follow the ascending order of the number, so that we will get the minimum value and the maximum value. To construct a box and whisker plot, we should find first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, upper inner fence, and lower inner fence. To find the first quartile, we can use the formula R is equal to 1/4 multiplied by the number of the observation. So here, the solution is 1/4 multiplied by 10 and equal to 2.5. And the answer is 2.5 of the observation. And now, we can round off the answer and we will get the third place observation that is equal to 3.5. So for the second quartile, we can use the formula 1/2 multiplied by 10 equal to 5. And we can, to get the observation, we need to use the formula quartile 2 equal to 1/2 multiplied by 5 place plus 6 place, and we will get the answer is 4.8. For our quartile 3, we can use the formula R is equal to 3/4 minus by the number observation. So we can get R equal to 3/4 multiplied by 10, and the answer is 7.5, and we can round off the number and we will get the 8th place of observation that equal to 5.3. To find the upper inner fence, we can use the formula quartile 3 minus 1.5 multiplied by quartile 3 minus quartile 1. And the answer is 8. For the lower fence, we can use the formula quartile 1 minus 1.5 multiplied by quartile 3 minus quartile 1, and the answer is 0.8. And we will get the answer for the outlier is 9.4.
Alright, for question B, we were asked to find the mean and median heights. Okay, first of all, we will find median first. Okay, how do we want to find median? We will use the formula of median, which is the sum of fx divided by sum of f. Okay, so we already have the value of sum of fx, so we just substitute here. 2120 divided by 40. So we will get the answer is 53. Okay, next is median. How we want to find median? But before we want to find median, we need to know the median class. We need to know the median class first. So how we want to find the median class? Okay, we will do 1/2 n equals to 1/2 times 40. So we will get the answer is 20. So we can see here the median class is between 50 to 60. Okay, so when we have the median class, then we just substitute into the formula of median, which is LK plus n/2 minus FK minus 1 divided by FK times CK. Okay, so we already have all the values, so we just need to substitute in the formula. So we just substitute 50 plus 40 divided by 2 minus 14 divided by 15, and then we will times with 10. So we will get the final answer is 54. Okay, for the next question, we were asked to find the standard deviation. So how we want to find the standard deviation is we just use the formula of standard deviation, which is square root sum of fx square minus bracket sum of fx bracket square divided by sum of f, then we will divide by sum of f minus 1. So since we have all the values, so we just need to substitute into the formula. So we will get square root 120400 minus bracket 2120 bracket square divided by sum of f, which is 40, and then we will divide by 40 minus 1. So we will get the answer 14.3581. Okay, now we go to the next question, which is we need to determine the shape of the distribution of plant's height. Okay, for this question, we will use the formula of SK. Okay, SK equals to 3 times median, 3 times mean minus median divided by standard deviation. Okay, we use this formula because we already have the value of mean, the value of median, and standard deviation. Okay, so we just substitute the value into the formula. So we will get 3 times 53 minus 54 divided by 14.3581. So we will get the final answer is negative 0.2089. So we can see here the value of SK is less than 0. So what we can conclude here is the data distribution is skewed to the left. Okay?
Okay, next is for question 4. First, we must list down all the information given, which is probability A equal to 0.37, probability B given A equal to 0.13, and probability A prime intercept B equal to 0.47. For question A1, we need to find probability A intercept B. Here we must know that probability B given A is equal to probability A intercept B. So the formula is probability A intercept B, or probability B given A is equal to probability A intercept B over probability A. Fill the formula with information given before, and we will get the value of probability A intercept B. For question 4A2, there are two things that we need to find, which is probability B and probability A union B. To find probability B, we must know the formula, which is probability B equal to probability A prime intercept B plus probability A intercept B. After we convert the formula with the value we get before, we will get the answer for probability B. For probability A union B prime, the formula is 1 minus probability A union B. If we expand the formula, we will get 1 minus probability A plus probability B minus probability A intercept B. Fill the formula with the value again, and we will get the value for probability A union B prime. For question 4B, once again, we list down the formula, which is probability A equal to X, probability B equal to X plus 0.3, and probability A intercept B equal to 0.04. For B1, first we must determine the value of X. Here we must to know that probability A intercept B equal to probability A times probability B. As we expand, we will get the quadratic equation, and we will get the value for X. We need to choose the positive one and ignore the negative one. So for B1, we have to find probability A prime intercept B. Probability A prime intercept B is equal to probability A prime times probability B. As we recall, probability A prime is 1 minus probability A. So after we fill the formula with the information given, we will get the value of probability A prime times probability A prime intercept B. For B2, we need to find probability A prime intercept probability B prime. The formula is for P probability A prime is 1 minus probability A, and for probability B prime is 1 minus probability B. We fill the value, we fill the value, and we will get the answer for probability A prime intercept B prime.